Hello kids! Today we learn feelings.
Look, I'm happy! And I'm sad now. Oh my goodness, surprised!
This is happy. Happy means we smile. This is sad. Sad means we cry. This is angry. Angry means we want to shout. This is scared. Scared means we feel afraid. Feelings help us understand ourselves. Happy, sad, angry, scared. These are feelings. How do you feel today? Please like, subscribe and share.